look here. Mike, we've got a Norton single.
Oh dear.
Alright, so we got the top engine bolt out. The next one's going to come out feels like the lowest one's going to come out next. So we'll do front isoelastic bolt. Hopefully it'll just slide right out. We've got the engine supported, so that's coming out. Hopefully, there, engine's loose on that.
Okay.
We literally got one bolt holding it in.
Pinned at the back, right?
What's that?
It's pinned at the back.
It's still pinned at the back. In fact,
Okay.
that one's going to fall right out.
So you
now
ready?
we're completely loose.
All right, hang on a sec.
We'll give it a try of just lifting straight out and see if that works.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. It's just nipped up a bit. There we go. All right, you just hold it a sec, Dave.
Yep.
I'm gonna get my hands under it.
I got my hand underneath it too.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I've got that crack to hold on to.
There it goes. There we go. That's it. There's the... Oh, and sadly, that is the money shot. Oh, there's the connecting rod.
Oh.
Wow. Okay. Alright, now we can get some cameras going.
Oh, yeah.
There you can see the connecting rod. I have to tap on it here to focus. Did that help?
Wow. Oh gosh, yeah. It's nearly cut through.
Is it going to focus? I think it's hitting the crankshaft.
There, look at that. Oh yeah, there. That's a deep gouge.
Mm-hmm. Was there one on the other side?
Whoa, yeah. Thanks. You've tidied everything up then, so
Yep, we got
got the bike out the way.
bikes out of the way. We're ready to pull the barrel. I suspect that the piston is going to come with it and probably have a connecting, what's left of the connecting rod dangling from it. We'll probably get a better view of the crankshaft too through the top and then all of the debris that is underneath it. So we'll just start taking these cylinder nuts off and see what happens.
Have you cleaned the engine up, Dave? It looks
Just
good.
a touch, just
Yeah.
to get the bigger chunks off.
Yeah, it looks clean and neat. That's a nice barrel, that.
It is a nice barrel.
Did you have that powder coated or?
I never did. I
Painted.
was wondering what the finish.
Do you want me to hold that?
Yeah, you got it.
It looks powder coated, because possibly it's a nice smooth finish.
Yeah, it could easily be powder coated.
No broken fins. It looks good.
No, and I'm surprised that out of all the barrels and heads, this is the only ones that I have that aren't. Doesn't have something broken on it. I can see if you were heavy-handed, I could break a fin.
Oh yeah. 90 degrees, right? Yeah.
We still got
Okay.
a few nuts that are still on there, so it needs to lift a little bit more.
Yeah.
That one's off. That one's still on. Oh, I got another one off.
This one's still on.
Got this one. This one's off. Do we have any nuts left?
There's one here.
Oh. There we go. Now it should come off.
Got it.
Don't worry about the washers.
All right.
Oh, we got another nut here.
got it.
Okay. All right. So that one's rolling. You ready?
Yep. Okay.
What's it connect? Oh.
The piston's still in the boat. And something else.
There we go.
Oh, a limb. Oh gosh, look at that.
Turn it upside down and lay her down. Get a bunch of washers coming off.
And me, oh, look at all that material in.
Yeah, don't worry.
Yeah.
I'll take care. I'll get new. Okay, you can bring your camera over if you want to do close-ups.
Whoa, that's like shrapnel.
Yeah.
Of course. I'm just going to wipe my hands. What was that, Dave? Slotted pistons?
Yeah, I think this is the slotted piston here. Notorious for losing the top of the piston off.
Yeah.
Looks like the it'll go in the bin, I'm sure. You can start to see some of the wee damage in there. There's a whole bunch of shrapnel up underneath the cam.
Yeah, got it. Gosh, what a mess.
It is quite the mess.
Yeah. I don't think you're going to save that Conrad.
I think that Conrad is now out of service officially.
It's now just a rod.
It's not connected to anything, is it? You can't call it connecting rod if it didn't.
One end is. Little end, the big end's on Highway 26. So it hasn't broken the skirt or anything like that? Oh, great, 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 great.
I think it's immaculate.
I'm so happy for you.
Apart and clean.
Yeah, of course.
But
I know you're worried about that, weren't you?
Yeah.
What was the underside of the skirt of the piston like? I thought we saw a tear or something.
I can't tell if this is cracked here though. That might be cracked. It might not be savable.
Oh no, are you kidding? Let's have a look.
I don't know what that is.
Oh dear. Yeah.
Well, considering the beating, we'll look at the piston as it tries to come out. You can see what a beating it took here on this side and just cremated the bottom of the piston.
Oh my gosh, yeah, look at that. It's like torn it.
Yeah, I don't know what happened in there, but it wasn't pretty.
Oh, do you want to pull it out and we'll look at that skirt?
You ready?
Yeah. Oh. But look at that crack. That's worrying.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The piston's a lot lighter now. It's missing about half of it.
Oh, shoot.